Good afternoon, it's Andy from Vehicle Fits. Just to show you what we've done to this Ford Transit's facelift, brand new model, 2020, pre-registered with it's the Euro 6.2. So what we've done on this is you put Clifford 330 X3, which is a Thatcham approved category 2 to 1 upgrade alarm, digital OE integrated, battery backup, blah blah blah. So on this we've linked it to the vehicle's, doors, boot, bonnet. We've fitted a rep lock on the driver's door because them doors getting snapped open. We've fitted a high level deadlock to the rear with less than 1 mil of movement when it's attempted. Oh god! There we go. Yeah, you can pull the door without unlocking, and they do tend to jam a bit, which is normal. So that's the rear. We've had to modify the ply lining a bit to get it in. That's the rear door deadlock, and the side door deadlock in the high position. Nice tight fit. Let's try and open that. No movement at all. So yeah, side high level, rear high level deadlocks. We've also fitted ultrasonics in the back to detect against any penetration into the roof area, or if they come through the doors. So this is the lock on the back door. What else? We fitted a high level door switch as well, which will detect attempted door peeling. So I'll show you that in action. If we shut the door, arm the alarm, one beep tells you that the alarm is armed and there's no doors open. If you do arm the alarm and there's other beeps afterwards, then it means you've got a zone open. So nice bright blue Clifford LED. So let me just get my trim tool and I'll prise this side door open. The back door can't be prised open because there is a high level latch at the top. So if the deadlock was on, obviously it won't be able to move, but if I just get a little non-damaged tool in there and just pry that door a little bit, not much. There we go. So you get Ford system going off, the Clifford system going off, 6-tone siren, Ford siren, horn honk. Shut up. So yeah, that's the Clifford siren going off. That's a 6-tone siren, we all know. The Ford system also picked that switch up as well, so it's wired into the Ford system, and also the horn, the vehicle horn we've wired in. Vehicle horn honk is optional on the Clifford. It comes with a wiring for it, but it is optional. You have to ask for it. There may be an extra charge because it does involve extra wiring. So it says a horn honk output asterisk, additional labour may be required. I tend to chuck it in with my alarms because on the Ford Customs, Ford Transits, I've done loads of them, so I just tend to throw it in while I'm fitting it. So yeah, that's a nice loud system, supplied and fitted by Vehicle Fit in the West Midlands. I'll show you that again. That's the van locked. That's the door sitting flush. You wouldn't be able to prise this door open when the locks are engaged because you wouldn't get much movement. If they did try, I'll show you again. You just see how much it takes to move. Not a lot. You ready? Cover your ears. So I should get the same focus. So that's me pushing the door. There you go. All good. So that's a Ford Transit 2020 Euro 6.2 Clifford category 2 to 1 upgrade alarm with Deadlocks all round and a rep lock, and these are all suited, keyed alike, supplied and fitted by Vehicle Fit, based in the West Midlands. Mobile service, lifetime warranty. Thank you.